We haven't added any new functionality, but we've added a lot of thought. We have some monkey wrench macros for what the function name is not going to be. It's going to be discrete unit x to global tile x for the Eddie game namespace. No implementation yet. Same idea for the y. We're not going to use these names. We're going to call it discrete unit y to global tile y. And we have not implemented the code yet. For the mouse master pixel x to discrete unit x, it's not going to be called pixel x to discrete mouse x, nor will it be called pixel x to discrete click x, because it could be a mouse position, it could be a click position. What we know is that it's going to be discrete unit x, but we don't know the specific implementation when we are calling this function. We've already made this function, but I just put these macros here to clarify things. So if I'm looking for something in the future, I can find it. Pixel y to discrete unit y. Once again, it's not going to be converted to discrete mouse y or discrete click y, because the use case for this conversion could be either of those, or maybe not even that. A to-do message for what I need to refactor in the future. I just need to be a little bit more specific about my variable names. We're in the mouse master move function. We need to eventually implement this. This is the next thing we're going to work on, converting the discrete unit x and y for the mouse and turning that into a global tile x and y that we can use to render the selected tile within the shader code. A whole bunch of footnotes about why I decided to name things what I named them. I took a lot of thought on it, and that's why I made a video for specifically this. So all we've done in video 151 is figured out function names and variable names, and we've also added some annoying code to remind us to refactor. You have been on this playlist. If you want more details as to what I'm doing here, you can go to this playlist and we'll cover things in more length. You have been on video 152. Like and subscribe.